What's up, guys? It's Matthew Geisel. So I'm about to hit the road again, and I'm traveling this time to Arkansas. Going to Winslow, Arkansas, West Fork, Arkansas to see Devil's Den State Park. Apparently there is some beautiful mountains up there that with an epic view. Let's go. Halfway, I'm almost there. I'm here in Oklahoma right now, and I just wanted to show you some of these views. I'm gonna send up the drone now. I can tell I'm pretty high up in elevation because I can feel it. My ears are popping and I can smell it too. I mean, I don't know if you can like smell elevation, but it's just, there's a smell up here and it stinks. Made it after hours and hours of driving. I finally made it. I'm here at the visitor center right now. I'm not hiking till tomorrow, but I'm here at the visitor center to try to kind of find out what are the best trails to take, where are the best spots, the best viewpoints, because there's no way I'll be able to hike this whole thing in one day. Now, as of right now, I think I'm gonna go back into town where they got some restaurants. I may go get something to eat and kind of kick back and kind of relax for the rest of the night, because I got a long day ahead of me tomorrow. The plan is to get some Thai food. I haven't had Thai food since, well, Thailand. So I'm going down. I'm here in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Fayetteville, Arkansas.
Fayetteville. Fayetteville.
Apparently it's free to park next to the parking meters on the weekend. I had no idea. So I'm over here, just paid $4 in a parking garage when I could have just, oh well. Here we go. Taste of Thai. So I'm here at the Taste of Thai. I just know I want to eat a lot. I'm hungry.
Hey, how are you tonight?
Oh yeah.
Good. I'm gonna get a water for you. Would you like anything else to
Yes.
drink?
I would like the sweet iced Thai tea.
Thai tea.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know what you like for dinner? I need a couple.
I know for sure the fried spring rolls.
Fried spring roll first. Okay.
And then I'm still kind of looking for.
I'll let you get a drink and an appetizer before, all right?
Thank you very much. This is a Thai sweet tea, a sweet Thai iced tea. Absolutely incredible. This is better than any of your just typical sweet teas. This is better than your southern sweet tea. This is so sweet, man. This is just like, it's like a dessert. It's like I'm just drinking a dessert right now. Alright, so our spring rolls are here. Let's give them a try. It's sweet, it's crunchy. Really, it tastes really good. It's not too filling. I've got the pad thai with everything on it. I've got the chicken, I've got the beef. I've got the shrimp, I've got the rice and the noodles. Not really big with chopsticks, but I'm gonna give it a try. If it doesn't work out, then I'll just use the fork. This is good. Excuse my poor chopsticks, ability, skill. Let's try a piece of shrimp.
I've only had one steak.
I think it's a little bland. After having Thailand's pad thai and pad thai here, I would definitely say Thailand's pad thai is a whole lot better. It doesn't mean it's good, just there's a big difference. The spring rolls are good, the tea is good, but the actual pad thai itself doesn't really compare to Thailand. Just woke up, I got a little sleep. Not the greatest sleep, but you can never expect the greatest sleep on these kind of trips. I've already got some coffee, and I figured that would be better than an energy drink. Probably, maybe not, but hey. And we're back, just like that. I've got, I guess for my lunch and for my snacks, I got 6 Cliff Bars. Thought it was convenient since I'll be, you know, climbing a cliff. Sorry. Yeah. That won't be in the video. And then I decided, you know what? Coffee wasn't enough, so I went ahead and got a Red Bull. Red Bull, sponsor me, because my 1,000 subscriber, couple hundred views a video channel could totally make you money. All the jokes aside, it's time to go to Devil's Den and knock this out. I'm here at Devil's Den State Park. I'm about to hike up the Yellow Rock Trail, which is leading up to a cliff that has an amazing viewpoint, an amazing lookout over the mountains of this area in northwest Arkansas.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
We're getting up. Man, this is beautiful, man. Just check this out, man. This is why I came, man. This is what I wanted. Let's get up to the top and see what we got up there.
I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off.
Getting closer and closer to the top. I mean, we still got viewpoints down here, but it's gonna look so much greater. And I can fly my drone. I have more room to kind of maneuver that.
Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into you.
All I can say is I made it, bro. I drove all this way for this. I drove all this way for this, and let me just say this. This is worth it. Like, you can't tell me God does not exist. I mean, how in the world?
I tell you to be wilder.
that first hike at Yellow Rock. We got to see the cliff view. I'm tired. Alright, I'm gonna get all this stuff charged and ready to go so we can get on the road so we can find the next place we're gonna hike, which I think it's gonna be this trail right here that's right in front of me.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
I've just finished hiking all day. It was good stuff. I got my cameras in my bag. I'm too tired to grab my cameras out of my bag, so I was just gonna film this last little portion with my iPhone. So if there's a difference in quality, that's why. Man, that was my body's sore, that's for sure. My problem with filming my iPhone is I have no idea where to look, because if I look at me, then I'm looking away from the. So I guess I'll just look here. But my body's sore. I'm tired. Now I got to drive quite a bit of ways. Not looking forward to that, but you know it's gonna be fun. Okay, not gonna lie, probably not that fun. But everything that I got to do today was worth it. I was like, at the end of it, I was like, bro, after today, I deserve a shirt. So I'm gonna go get a shirt. And I went and bought a shirt. Today deserved a shirt. Man, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. Again, if there's any thing y'all recommend, if y'all got any places that y'all would like me to check out or like me to see, comment that below. If there's anything that you think I can do better with these videos so I can make this content the best that I can, let me know that. But thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it. Share this with your friends. Share this to your social medias. This was epic. Catch y'all later.